Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. I'm here with
Julia
and
Alexis. We're called Heartland Ray together, but those are our individual names. Yeah, we have individual names too.
Sarah.
Sarah is my new best friend. My other new best friend, what's your name?
Amber.
Amber.
Aniela.
Aniela. That's French.
It's Polish. Amber.
Amber, how you doing, Amber?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm great. Where are you at right now? Where are we at?
We are at the Fanfix house.
Fanfix, brought to you by Fanfix. Have you ever had an Uber driver ask you out on a date?
Yes, actually I have, and I've said no. Because it was like an older man, 30s, 40s, some shit like that.
So did he like sneak it into the conversation?
Yeah, like he was just like, you're beautiful. And like I was like, oh, thank you. And he was like, can I get your number? And I was just like, I don't use text. You can get my Instagram.
And then he throws you a follow, and then you get one new follower.
Yeah, exactly.
No, never.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I stand my ground. I make sure people know I'm not.
You're not about that?
Yeah, no.
Because some Uber drivers out there, it's like Tinder for them.
Really?
They're like, this is my time. I might meet my loved one. Has your Uber driver ever asked you out on a date?
Just that one time with Miss Me, and I think I was the one to kind of make the move. And what's funny is the next day, I got an email from Uber customer support saying, your Uber driver notified us that you left something in their car. Here's their phone number. Coordinate with them to pick it up. So I'm thinking to myself, that's smooth, because I was, I remember he was really cute. So I texted him, and he's like, yeah, you didn't really leave anything. I just wanted to get your number.
I hate him with a passion. I had to go to therapy after him. Anyways.
I just like bad boys. Something about bad boys, I'm so weak. And he was bad. He was real bad.
Just like that Uber driver, rolled out of bed, given Uber rides, and you're like, yes.
Oh, well, he was in the army, so he had that strong tough guy thing that I really like. So it just, I don't know. I went through some stuff with him.
Do you think it's a good time to ask your pastor out on a date? Is that a good time to meet?
Who? Your passenger?
Yeah.
No, never.
So Uber drivers shouldn't ask their pastor out on a date?
No, never ever. Absolutely not. I'm supposed to drive you somewhere, not hit on you and ask you out.
Okay, fair enough.
Unless she or he, does the move first, I guess. If I'm the passenger and I like the driver, I'd be like, what's up? That's fine. But I guess vice versa, it's a bit uncomfortable.
It could be uncomfortable the other way around too.
For him?
Yeah, for the Uber driver. Yeah.
Why not?
Actually, real quick, I don't know if you want to put this in, but I met an Uber driver. I was in an Uber driver. He told me that this guy paid him $10,000 to have a rendezvous for 10 minutes with a girl inside his car.
What's a rendezvous?
In Beverly Hills. Sexy time? where you make the girl roller coaster?
So if you're an Uber driver, you don't think that's the best way to get a date?
No. I mean, no, I don't think so. I mean, not unless they're very attractive, I guess, but I actually don't think I've ever experienced an Uber driver that I'm like, oh my god, this driver is so hot.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the most attractive profession in the world.
Yeah, definitely, to say the least, yeah.
How can my audience find you guys? Are you guys on social media?
We are at Heartland Ray on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. And then we also have a podcast called Excuse My Friend. So add Excuse My Friend everywhere and all streaming platforms.
Those stories, all the good stories on that podcast. Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll definitely make sure to link your podcast below. Your name is Amber. How can they find you on social media?
They can find me on social media at AMBERR, Amber with 2 R's on Instagram, and Amber Mesner on TikTok.
At Sarah_Alfalah on everything, so easy.
Sarah Alpha?
Alfalah.
Alfalar.
At Amber Woods Music on Instagram and at Amber Woods on everything else. So yeah.
Okay, thank you for joining.
No problem.
Can you rate me 5 stars, please?
Adios. 5 stars.
Okay.
No tip.
All right, thank you.